Next piece to take out is the hip bone. So start with the hook. I learned this tip from the bearded butchers. Great guy has lots of experience. You just kind of use the tip, keep your fingers out of the way. You can hear I've just gotten right to where the hip bone attaches to the femur. There we go. Out comes the H-bone. So the next part that we're going to do, you can see the top of the leg bone right to the femur there. Seams are, so you try to stay along your seam. I'm going to stay right on that hip bone. We want it to come out nice and clean. There we go. Now you got your hip bone, here your skin, the femur, your hock taken off.